again extremely important. Many a times we imagine lot of things, and many a times the things that we imagine are mostly negative too. However, the brain cannot tell the difference between something that is actual and something that is imagined. You go figure this one out. And most of the things that we imagine are negative ones. If somebody did not talk to us in a social gathering, we have all these notions about why she did not do, going into that negative path, all of this. And then try and figure out later, she tried to catch your attention, you could not see her, whatever it is. And usually what I am trying to say is, whatever we imagine is mostly negative too, and the brain cannot tell the difference, and the brain will continue doing what it has to do. If it is negative, whether it is imagined or actual, it will start releasing the negative chemicals. It will cause havoc to the body and mind. This is another aspect about stress, because there are many people who are in the working professionals, because whenever it comes to stress, lot of the times it is imagined stress. It's about the future, about the deadline that is coming up, or about it's going to be too much work, I won't be able to handle, I don't know what is going to happen. All about future filled with anxiety and pessimism is what causes stress. Again, the brain cannot tell the difference between it is in the future, you don't need to worry. And it will cause stressful chemicals to be released, causing many of the symptoms of stress. Thing to remember, brain cannot tell the difference between something that is real and that is imagined. So we need to use it to our advantage. Use something that is positive, like what we were talking about, the inspiration, positive. It's still a quality that we are looking for. We may not have that, but if we keep thinking as though we have that quality, or we want that quality, aspire for it in a very intense manner, the brain will start acting as though it is going to happen. It's a beautiful technique that we need to realize and make use of it.